What is an automotive bank? An automotive bank is a bank that provides money to lease out cars. Let me give you the rundown. When you lease a new truck from Huntington Beach Ford, you're actually leasing it through the bank, in this case, Ford Motor Credit. The dealership is just a middleman, essentially a showroom, where they add in extra money to keep their lights on, and then some. Dealerships don't own the cars on their lot. That's why they all say based on credit approval, because they have to get approval from the bank, Ford Motor Credit. Look, you'll see this when you're making your payment. The money's going to the bank and not the dealership. All the cars on the lot have preset lease prices from the bank, but the dealerships have contracts with the banks to keep those prices from being revealed, and that's why the negotiating process feels so frustrating. But here at LeaseMax, we're sharing all that data with you so you know the actual price of your lease directly from the bank.